Hello guys, I'm Meet Sony. Welcome back to my channel. If you're a fresher and looking for a high-paying software or AI roles, then today's video is going to be very useful for you. Because today I have bought 4 opportunities, including a software engineer role, high-paying AI software role, AI internship, and backend engineer role. So make sure to watch this video till the end. The company is a full-time on-site role. Now this is a walk-in hiring drive with Capture CX for the position of Java full-stack developer. Now let's understand what you will actually do in this role. You will be working on full stack Java applications, developing and maintaining backend and front-end systems, and solving real-world engineering problems. Now coming to skills, you should have strong knowledge of DSA and programming languages like Java and Python. Coming to the eligibility, you must be pursuing or completed BTech or BE from branches like computer science, IT, electronics or related field. Graduation year required is 2027 batch. Now coming to the selection process, first round will be an offline assessment at AccioJob centers in Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Noida or Pune. Then shortlisted candidates will go through resume evaluation and technical interviews. You need to carry your own laptop and earphones for the test. Now coming to the salary, CTC is clearly mentioned as 7.5 LPA, which is a very good package for freshers. Now moving to the second opportunity, the company is Kshatra Labs and they are hiring for the role of software engineer. This is a remote role so you can work from anywhere and no experience is required. Now this company is working on AI powered defense and robotics system. You will build a command and control system for autonomous machines, work on networking, telemetry and real-time data pipelines and develop systems that handle sensor data and mission control. Now coming to the skills, you should know C++ and Python, have strong Linux system knowledge and understanding of RSO2 and data pipelines. Now coming to the salary, they are offering around 40 to 70,000 per month plus 0.5 to 2% of equity. Now let's move on to the third opportunity. The company is Wingy Private Limited and they are hiring for the role of generative AI engineer intern. The location is again Bangalore and this is an on-site internship. Now in this role, you will work on real-world generative AI systems. You will build RAG pipelines using LangChain and Quadrant, develop AI chatbots. You will also have to work with LLMs like Llama and design prompts and AI agents. You will also have to integrate AI systems with Python and backend APIs. Now coming to the skills, you should have strong knowledge of Python, understanding of generative AI, and knowledge of LangChain and prompt engineering. This posting is open for freshers and you will get 30,000 per month as a stipend. And there is a full-time conversion opportunity also. Now let's move on to the fourth opportunity. The company is FineWise AI Tech Private Limited and they are hiring for the role of software engineer. The location is Nagpur and this is an on-site role. This role includes a 3-month training and evaluation period, after which you can get a full-time offer. Now let's understand your work. You will build backend systems using Python and Fast API, work on AI/ML model integration, and develop data pipelines and APIs. You will also manage databases like PostgreSQL and Redis and work with Docker and AWS. Now coming to the skills, you again need a strong knowledge of Python, knowledge of AI/ML libraries like Pandas, Scikit-learn or PyTorch, and understanding of backend systems is important. Coming to the eligibility, candidates with 6 month to 2 year of experience can apply. Degree should be in computer science, AI/ML, data science or related fields. They are offering a 4 to 6 LPA offer after full-time conversion. So yeah, these were the 4 opportunities. You can choose wisely according to your skill set. And one quick important thing, if you are preparing for the roles, I have added an ultimate technical interview cheat sheet bundle including 15 plus top company DSA questions. You can use the coupon code developer25 to get the 25% off. Make sure to check out the link in the description box. And if you want more such latest job updates, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching, guys.